Hi guys, this is Alex from Land Rover Tech, and today I'll show you how to replace shabby lettering on any Land Rover with the same disease. Usually dealers charge around $300 for the same job, and it is insane. The whole car with that lettering looks pretty oldish, and it's not supposed to be for premium SUV. For this job we will need a plastic scraper tool, decal and adhesive remover, tape, new lettering, and drill. I'll leave the links for all that stuff in the description below. First of all, we should mark the location of old letterings using the templates that go with the new lettering set. I took out the templates from the kit and I found out that they don't fit. So, first three letters are okay, you can see, but it's not a big deal. I'll cut both templates on both sides and mark the locations. So let's do it. This is what I've got, and now I'm going to mark all the corners of the templates. So with no rush. Now we have all corners and we are ready to remove the old lettering with the plastic scraper tool. Just carefully remove each letter. Looks like it's not the original ones. Maybe that's why templates don't fit. As I remember, original ones are made from metal, but those ones are plastic. It's pretty easy to remove them. Here we go. Now it's time to remove the goo. First of all, I'll try adhesive remover. If this one wouldn't help, I'll use decal remover with a drill. But let's try this first. This one works pretty well. It would be enough to remove the old glue. Yeah. Fit the templates back and fix them with tape. Yep, that's good. The templates are lined up and we are ready to drop the letters into it. Line up each letter, take your time and make it perfect. No rush. Pretty simple though. And now we're ready to remove the templates. I already like it. Let's remove the tape. Finally, I have replaced the letters. I really hate the old ones, and now the car looks awesome. It looks like brand new. It's like plus 10 horsepower at least. So let's replace the rear ones. The procedure would be pretty much the same. You know what, for the rear I'll put the lettering into the templates position and I wouldn't cut them. So I'll mark the inner corners and you will see. It wasn't easy in the rear, so I'll show you how to use decal remover. It's very easy to damage the paint, so don't go hard, put it on low speed and very easy, very lightly remove the old glue, okay? This is how to replace the lettering on your Land Rover, and if the video was helpful, please thank me with thumbs up button. Check my channel for another DIYs, Land Rover tips and off-roading videos, and subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you guys and see you next time. Bye.